Hello guys, this is Dr. Salam and welcome back to Red English Lesson. Today in this video I am going to give you a small tutorial. So many people were asking about how to change the cabin light of Ford Ecosport. You might know that the stock lights were the yellowish little bit dull light. So I will give you a complete demonstration of how to open that cabin light and how to fix the new bulb in it, which will give you more light and it will lit up all the nooks and corners of your cabin. Without wasting more time, I will go for the quick tutorial and I will show you how to change the bulb. You don't need to go to the service center or you don't need to go to the accessory shop for this small work. It's a simple DIY. Hope you guys will like this video and stay tuned till the end of the video. Give your suggestions and comments in the comment section. So you can use any small screwdriver or tester to do this. Okay, I had one lock over here, one lock over here and one lock over here. First of all, you need to just fix this and pop this thing out. See, it came out. And here as well, just put it inside and pop it out. And one more over here. So once the locks are popped out, you can simply push it downwards and the thing is out now. And this is the setup. And here you can see a small holder. You can twist it anti-clockwise, not clockwise, anti-clockwise, and the bulbs are, I will show you. See, here it is. So this is the holder and you can see the stock bulb. It's a Toshiba 12 watt 6 watt bulb. Okay, 12 volt and 6 volt. So I am going to change this bulb to this white LED. So just pull this out and keep this bulb inside and push it in. Okay, this is done. And you need to do the same process. Keep it like this and clockwise. It's clockwise, and just put the thing back. Press it. Done. And I will show you. Hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for never ending latest updates and notifications. Till the next video, take care and bye bye.